We're cutting out for this water feature here. This is going to be super cool. I'll actually show you. So these are the tanks that are going to go in. And then this is the rock. This pipe's going to go up through here, and this is all going to spill over this. So it's going to be incredible. We got a crane coming here in a couple hours. It's going to be awesome. We're digging out for those tanks again, nice and deep. Our international dump truck wouldn't start today, so we got to do it this way. And our new 1-ton dump truck doesn't come till next week, so. And so this is the feature, this is the plan. This is going to be dry creek bed here. And then this is the water feature itself, surrounded by plantings. And so we're getting this cut out here. By the way, Riley from Complete Aquatics helping us here today. Plan table, that's a great thing to be setting up on the job. And then also when you got to carry around a bunch of material and stuff, is our tool crates here, which we're going to get some metal ones built this winter. But just as real simple, just like, again, for just handling bulk items, be it a bunch of plants or whatever. But I've just been building these skid things out of plywood, and then just having I'm still trying to figure out a good trash dumpster concept. This tub is really for hardscape material, but today we're using it as trash. So yeah, lots going on. But this concept is awesome, and I got to credit Jeremy Swihart with that, who I got this general idea from. We were using like job boxes prior to this, and then we built a proof of concept here with the pallets. Next thing, we're gonna build them out of metal so they hold up a little better, obviously. So now we're getting some base rock down for the wings of this thing. It's going to funnel water off this water feature. That is a thing of beauty right there. So just keeping it moving. So we got a sump pipe there that's perforated down the bottom. And then we're backfilling up against that backside of the vault with 57 so that it's just right up against it or whatever. So crane's gonna be here in just a few minutes. We're in good shape. Here we go, moment of truth. You've seen it all in time lapse and all the other crazy stuff. We gotta wait on Travis here for the big reveal. Trev! The anticipation, Max gets the honors here. Ta-da, drum roll. Here it is, the big moment.
Oh yeah.
Dude, that's sweet. Holy crap, that's awesome. Dude, that's dope. Dude, that is awesome, man.
Yeah.
We definitely need that 6 foot of splash, don't we?
Yeah.
And what I'm referring to there is the amount of splashes. Now we can control that with some of the substrate, but you can see the splasher. All that is, if it's getting outside the liner, is depleting. I wanted a wow when people come up the driveway. I think this is gonna get it, man.
The way it comes off the top.
Guys, that's awesome. Dude, that blowing off the corner there is incredible. That's just amazing.
Yeah,
and we got ball valves there to control and just tweak it and play with it, and which I'm sure our client is sure to. Got a little bit of snow here this morning. It is a week later to the day, matter of fact, of this project on the water feature here, and I want to show you where we're at in a week on the site, dealing with challenging rain conditions and all that too, of course, mud. But I want to show you this, and now there's a lot of river rock around here, and I want to mention that we're gonna be adding like some deadwood, some like driftwood and tree stumps and a bunch of stuff to make this look more like an actual creek and water feature. So the actual reveal here, and when these plantings mature, of course, that's going to be a big difference. You know, our client is going to pick out some wood and stuff like you can kind of see over in the distance there, some driftwood looking stuff, but some stuff like got a big log sitting here just to naturalize this in. And of course, as these shrubs and grasses and all this stuff matures, this is going to look more natural. And then of course in the spring, we're going to put some potted ferns and some stuff in there that'll hit that water and green this up and soften it up a little bit. So but it just turned out just so cool, and we're messing around with a bunch of different settings on it and how we're flowing things and all that. But I'm really psyched on how this whole thing turned out, and we actually had to reset it. It was leaning just a little bit. I want to show you the good, the bad, the ugly of these things, right? We had to actually stabilize it a little bit more from our original setting. So but just so much cool stuff you can do with these things just by how you place a rock and all that. One of these things too is you need to know with these is when you set these things, it's got to be, you see all the splash, like the general rule of thumb is you need to be twice the distance in splash zone as the height of the feature. So if that's 3 feet tall, we need to have 6 feet of liner to catch that and return it to the feature. Otherwise you're going to lose it and you're going to be constantly going through water and creating a swamp eventually. So we got to keep that peripheral there, but these shrubs in there are going to grow over. Like this is really good. So nice job, Mr. Keith here on the planting layout, and turned out good. So I'm super psyched on this, but man, beautiful snowy morning. Isn't this cool? So there you go. That's how she turned out, and wait till spring. It's really going to look amazing.